Hey guys, Jessica here. In today's video, my sister is going to be editing my photography. What is your background in editing? How many pictures have you edited?
I don't have any background in editing. I've just retouched photos like on my iPhone.
Because I like you, we're starting out in Lightroom, okay?
Thank you.
So my sister has never used Lightroom before. I'm going to be here to help you with this process. You get to actually pick the picture that you edit.
Are you actually going to help me or are you going to throw me into the sea and let me drown?
No, of course I'm going to help you. Why would I let you edit my photography, like, terribly? Would I do that?
I'm sorry.
I'm just saying, like, you think I would let you go down that path?
Oh my god, I should crop the model's face onto like a sunset in the back. Like.
So before we begin, I would love to thank the sponsor for today's video, Storyblocks. So Storyblocks has a giant library of high quality footage for you to use, everything from video to audio to image. Storyblocks gives you access to an unlimited library. They have over 1 million assets. That's a lot. They have things like backgrounds for your projects, vectors, they have After Effects templates. They have some really cool stock video if you need extra B-roll footage, if you need like an aerial of a city. I mean, they have a very large library of really cool footage you can use for your YouTube videos. You can use it for your personal projects. You can use it for commercial projects because everything that they have is royalty free, which is amazing. They have things like audio, stock audio. You can use it for sound effects in your videos. Sometimes my jokes aren't that funny, so I like to add, a little splat here and there, a funny sound effect to kind of, make it sound funnier than what it really is. And then they have images. They have a wide variety of stock images. If you want to do maybe a collage with your photography, if you want to do a photo manipulation, maybe change out the background. Maybe you don't have a picture of a mountain. Don't worry, Storyblocks does. They're always uploading new content. They have different subscriptions, so there's a flexible plan for every type of budget. So definitely check them out. I'm going to have a link down below in the description. And again, thank you Storyblocks for sponsoring this video. With that being said, let's get back into my sister editing my picture and seeing what she comes up with. I feel like your strategy is just gonna be going through each tab and then just like toggling it.
Well, because so what the hell is this? It looks like a wand. Ooh, mask. Oh, that's already what I clicked. Is it? Oh, hold on. There's different little things. Okay, let's start off with this one. Oh my god. Exposure. I don't feel like this is not doing anything. Let me go down to the actual basic one. So this is my strategy. First, I'm going through all little toggles and I'm just gonna edit it as I like, and then I'll refine it later on. This looks like the images on Photo Bucket. Like if you bring the texture all the way to 100.
Is that the look that you're going for? Photo Bucket?
Yeah. What are these?
So that's the curves layer. So it can add brightness.
Oh, so you can pick the different curve that you want?
So that's the main one. And then these, like the red, green, and blue one, kind of add color.
Like a tint on it? Like a blue tint? Oh my god.
So think of it like you're adding blue and then...
Whoa.
Or you're adding...
Yellow?
Yellow,
oh
yeah.
my god, that is so cool. And this is just the yellow, like brightness?
This is just brightness and then adding contrast.
Oh my god, I love that. I love that. Actually, no.
I feel like people just want a bright picture. Do you agree?
Just they
just
bring it all the way up here.
Oh, amazing.
Oh my god, that is so cool. It's like you're changing her lip color. I just feel like I like a nice summery glow, like that sort of look.
Alana just wants to be on the beach, basically.
Yeah, I'm just trying to project my desires onto this photo, basically. Oh my god, how cool does that look? See? She has like a nice glow.
It's the beach thing again. Do you find it's easy to use?
This?
What is... Oh
my god! That's like in the movie Toothless. You know how the characters become like 2D?
Oh yeah!
That's what it reminds me of. Whatever, you guys know what movie
it's a simple wish.
A simple wish, yeah. Oh my god, where'd she go? How do I reset this? Vignette. Nobody wants a vignette. I feel like those are so ugly. Am I done? Is there more to this?
Are you done?
I don't know. I feel like I don't know what the hell else to do. Histogram. There's a histogram here too. How do I crop it?
You crop it using that right there.
I feel like you like to keep a lot of the background in, and I feel like I wouldn't if I was a photographer. I would crop the background.
Ooh, okay, so show us how it's done, boss.
Damn, look at
Whoa.
that. It brings the focus right to her face, and you don't even focus on that blue thing in the back.
Is that it?
I think I cropped it too much, but I'm just gonna leave it because I'm too lazy.
It's a nice crop.
Thank you so much. A little bit. Ooh. Wow. Now that is like fall.
That's like the Christmas movies on Netflix.
I'm not I like it, but
she finds like her prince husband at the marketplace, and then she doesn't know he's a prince, and then they get married.
Wow. Okay, I see I like the orange a lot better.
You should not listen to the plot.
What?
I just came up with the Christmas movie plot based on your picture.
What about this one now? I feel like now she's going to a beach in Venice, and then she's gonna meet her husband.
And then her husband's a prince. She goes on a date with him, and she doesn't know he's a prince. Carriage. She marries him, and he has like a later she finds out he's a prince, and then she marries him prince because he's in disguise, and then when she marries, but she doesn't know he's a prince, and then she becomes a princess, and then she takes over the land.
Yeah. Everything is right in front of her, but yet she doesn't see it. Oh my god, what did I do? I don't like it. I'm gonna Control Z the hell out of what I just did.
What did you do? Wow.
What the hell did I do?
You said you're undoing everything.
No, I don't want any of this. How do I bring it back? I believe I'm done with this one.
Okay, let's see the before and after. That's before.
Wow.
That's after.
Dang, I did a good job.
You did do a good job.
Don't leave me hanging.
She's going on vacation to Venice Beach in California. Were you thinking Venice, Italy?
Yeah.
It's close, but the borders are closed. She's not going anywhere, technically. I will give this like a 6.
That's what I thought you were gonna give it.
Really?
Yeah. But like, also like you have your own style, so like you're rating me based on what you would do. You know what I mean?
She hates me.
No, I'm all good. It's all good.
So Alana has edited the first photo. She's moving on to the second picture.
So, wow. Oh my god. If I'd even do anything, I'm like, wow. So let's see. There we go.
You cropped it already. She didn't waste any time.
I just feel like cropping it gives me a sense of relief in a way. Wow. See that? That texture really... Oh my god, it can blur her face.
Yes, Facetune.
It doesn't look like makeup at this point. So I'm gonna just like make that, a little bit more subtle. And then luminance. I don't know what that means. Wow. Oh my... Dang.
Ooh.
This almost looks like a punk rock look, and I love it. Wow, that's kind of scary.
Would you say the hue saturation tab is your favorite right now?
It definitely is. I feel like it's so fun to play with all the colors. I don't know what this even is doing. I'm gonna just...
I love how you add it anyways, even though you just do 100. And
I don't know what this does, but I'm just gonna like keep it anyways. My head is beginning to hurt because I've been looking at this photo for so long, and like this picture needs love that I can't give it. So to me, like I associate it with like seasons, so this is kind of reminding me of like winter, which I hate. So I'm gonna bring it.
We don't want winter.
We don't like winter. We don't like
the summer club here.
I like the pink tones. Did I do the same for this girl too? For this model? Wow, whoa, this one's really orange when I'm looking at it. Dang, whatever, I'm gonna keep it. I'm too lazy to go back at this point. But this one's like nice and pink and warm. I just like, I need it cropped more from right here.
You wanna do it vertically? You could just...
Is it this
use
way?
the crop tool. No, use the crop tool. You and the cropping, man. You're gonna kill us with this cropping.
Okay, there we go. Wow.
Wow.
Oh my god, that's exactly what I want.
That's actually really good. Good crop.
Thank you so much.
You are the cropping queen.
Thank you. That's pretty. Wow. Oh my god, this looks so gorgeous. Do I want pink or do I want a red? No, I feel like...
Ooh.
Like a red.
That's nice. This is giving me like Avril Lavigne, complicated...
Like you don't know me vibes.
Like you used to... Wait. You used to be somebody that I know. What is that one quote? If the quote, now you're just somebody that I used to know, was a person. Right?
Yeah. But that's not Avril Lavigne.
I know.
I don't know how to pronounce that.
Got ye?
Got ye? Nah, you. Oh my god! Remember when that song came out? Everyone was obsessed with it.
It was like in everyone's captions.
Yeah.
For every Instagram picture.
Everyone's exes were quaky.
You get a picture of a water bottle. It's like, now you're just somebody that I used to know. I'm like, what?
Okay. Whoa.
Wow.
Beautiful. I love that.
What is it?
Prego. I don't know what I'm saying. Ben.
I don't think that's what. I think they do say that.
Prego means thank you, doesn't it? It means thank you. All I know is that Lizzie McGuire said it. All I know is that Lizzie McGuire said it in her movie, so it must be something nice.
Italians, let us know in the comments. Are you?
I'm done, guys. I finished.
If you were judging yourself, what would you give yourself?
I would give myself a solid like 8 out of 10, maybe even 9.
We love an honest queen.
I crushed this one. I crushed it.
It's pretty good. I like the warm tones. I like the color that you made the eyeshadow and the lips. It's really like punk rock. You kind of transformed it into more punk rock. And I would give this an 8, definitely.
Thank you.
Yeah, very good. Second photo.
Oh, I love that one's my favorite one.
And then the first photo.
It's been really cool. I actually kind of enjoy it.
You did a great job, and you learned to use it so fast, and it's like you've been using it your whole life. Let us know what you guys think of the photos, and we would love to thank you guys so much for watching.
Bye.
Good job, little Lisa. Low key, this was just a way for me to teach you how to use the program so you can edit my pictures when I don't want to.
You're like, okay, now you're locked in.
Okay, so I'm going to send you some 50 pictures from this wedding. I need them by tomorrow.
Let's go.